So as we reach the hotel, first we do is take our breakfast. आपका पहले bags ले लेंगे. Identify your bags. When your bags come out, you see, take your bags, go to the reception. Take your breakfast first. Okay? Take your breakfast first. After your breakfast, collect your bag and then you can go to your room. Okay? In the evening, what time are we meeting? We'll be having, as per the itinerary, I hope everyone knows the itinerary, what are we doing today? We don't know. Today is the grand day, award ceremony day, the convention day, and also the gala night. That's why we buy bottles, you know. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, we will update you with the timing, what time that you all have to meet in the lobby for your high tea, chai nasta वगैरह. Okay, पहले वो करेंगे. So now first you go after the breakfast, nicely go to your room, relax. Okay, your passport, your valuables, you can put it in the locker. The lockers are absolutely safe. ठीक है, आपका पासपोर्ट वगैरह लॉकर में डाल दीजिएगा. आपका पासपोर्ट लेकर के बाहर घूमने की जरूरत नहीं है. You do not require to do that. So the safest place is only your locker. ठीक है? Once you put it, relax yourself, take shower, whatever you want to do. If you want to buy the SIM card, you have to walk outside. There are many places. If you still want to do money change, there are after every 100 meters there are money changes. Please note, money change over here will shut by 8 p.m. Okay? If you also want to buy the SIM card, ladies and gentlemen, make sure to carry your passport along with you. आपका passport आपके साथ होना जरूरी है अगर आपको SIM card खरीदना है. If you not require, it's okay because आपके hotel के अंदर Wi-Fi है. Okay? So if you want to save money and if you have a serious business going on behind, maybe boyfriend, girlfriend behind, then you may want to buy a SIM card. Okay? So in the evening, after your high tea will be your gala night, wherein will be awarded, there will be an award ceremony basically. So there is a dress code, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you all are aware about it. So everybody, I must look handsome, pretty and beautiful, ladies especially. Okay. For the ceremony, following day's itinerary, we as tour managers will brief you all in the night. Now your gala night is going to take place at Dushithani. So people who are staying at Siam Bayshore, people staying at Discovery Beach, we will send a coach. We will get you to Dushithani. Okay, आप बस में बैठ करके Dushithani आओगे to attend the ceremony. People who are staying in Dushithani itself, no need to take the bus. You can just go to the ballroom area and then attend the ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, your ceremony will get approximately over by 10 o'clock, 10:30. Humble request to everybody. Everybody has the hotel address. Take the card. Sometimes these hotel people will give you your room key card. उसके अंदर आपका hotel का address भी लिखा होता है. ठीक है? Sometimes there are two duplicate hotels. CM Bayshore हो गया तो CM कुछ और हो गया. Those are low category hotels. Then tonight if you want to go outside, you may not want to end up going to the wrong hotel. Okay? So make sure to have the correct address of your particular hotel which will make your life very easy because यहाँ पर है ना English में communication is little weak. Okay, they don't talk in English so much. Although you will see many Indians around, but they are 80% tourist people. Okay? Anybody who would like to go tonight after the gala night, if you wish to, that is not